Asynchronous WSGI with Twisted. I'm building a web interface for a Twisted application and would like to use WSGI rather than Twisted.web directly, since the rest of the website is WSGI and I already have a substantial WSGI codebase. The Twisted documentation page I found about SkyerSource, this URL, states, like any other WSGI container, you can't do anything asynchronous in your WSGI applications, even though this is a Twisted WSGI container. Does this have to be true? Is there some less than hacky way of doing Twisted.web style asynchronous web request handling in WSGI, perhaps as part of another free software project? Supposing there isn't, my plan is to have WSGI threads do their asynchronous work in the reactor thread and block by polling until the data is available. It's not pretty. If there's a reasonably uncomplicated way of asynchronously handling WSGI requests in Twisted, I'd love to hear it.
Why do you want to use WS and do asynchronous things? The benefit of WS is that you can deploy your application on any WS container. If you start using Twisted APIs to do asynchronous things, then you can only deploy your application in Twisted's WS container. You should probably just use Twisted Web without WS for your asynchronous code.